First of all, good morning, everybody. My name is Raz from Barabanki American Institute. So, today I'm with a guy. He is not a guy, guys. He is a really hard worker because for 5 years, if I talk about, he hasn't asked for money from anybody in his family. And really, we are gonna fun on Sunday, guys. Be people because we are a youth and we are going to fun on Sunday. But he never goes for fun or anything else. Only he, I think do hard. He does hard work in a family. One day I called him in American that are you coming on Sunday? He said, "Sir, sorry, Sunday I can't come because I have some work because I collect some money." So think about that, guys. In this age, he is going to collect the money because nobody is going to help him. And the second things, he comes to American by train. So it's very like a great like opportunity to him to come to like Barabanki from I think Dariabad, and think about it is I think 49 kilometer, guys, from here to there. But he comes every day in American Institute. So think about his motivation and his like inspiration. I don't know who motivates him to do all the things. Today I will so in the front of the camera today I'm going to show his face at the first time in front of the camera. His name is Mustaqim, and today I'm going to discuss something about his life. So let's watch the video. So hi Mustaqim.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am good sir, thank you for asking me.
Thank you so much. Are you excited to speak in the front of the camera today?
I am very excited.
Okay, but you are so much serious. You are looking like that.
Just like that.
The first time you smiled. That's nice. So, where are you from?
Sir, first of all, I would like to tell my introduction. My name is Mohammad Mustaqim. I am from Dariabad district, Barabanki, and I have completed my graduation, Bachelor of Art last year. That's all my introduction.
That's nice. Sir, actually, I don't have such an energy which you have. Then how do you get the energy? Like you do all the things, you manage all the things, like you are learning computer as well as you are learning English, and also part-time job. Like how it's I think a tremendous you do. I think so. Can you tell to audience how they can, do something in their future?
Okay. Sir, first of all, sir, when I have need, so I want to go my shop, barber shop. I want to go my shop and I work there for daily expenses because I think so. When I ask my parent for money, so I don't think so. It's good because I am young this time. So as well as I am learning, as well as I am earn also. It's my daily expenses.
That's nice. So, sir, you want to, I think, such a like friends in Barabanki, they are going to out of the country. So, do you have the such a vision that you want to go outside of the country? So, tell me the place where you wanna visit or you wanna like earn money. I want to know about the place. Where will you go?
So first of all, sir, I would like to tell I love too much traveling, and I wanna go Gulf country for earning money. In India because there is too much population and there is too much competition also every field like government sector, private sector. That's why I decided I want to go Gulf country for earning money. I want to become in future businessman. So first of all, I will go Gulf country for earning money. When I have a lot of work in future, after that I came back India, and I will start my business according to situation. I don't decide this time.
Okay, that's nice. So actually, your father gave you nourishment, huh? And your mother has sown this beautiful world. Which gift you wanna give to your mother or father in the future when you will earn money?
Okay. Sir, my father and my parents, sir, everything is for me. So that's why in future will I get any job when I earn a lot of money. So I will give everything what my parents want.
Okay. Nice. So I have one question. It's some like we can say it's a funny question, but it's I think our responsibility to ask. So You are gonna do love marriage or arranged marriage?
Okay, sir, I prefer arranged marriage. It is good because when you will get married in future, so it's not good because I saw in society many times it's not good. Arranged marriage is good because when any situation in future, so your family stand with you.
So viewers, listen to me. Actually, he spoke very like amazing. That was the good answer. You should be cooperative to your family because your family is everything for you guys. Don't go for love marriage. Otherwise, girl will leave you and you will be like you will mooch around here and there. You will beg on the road, right? So don't go for love marriage. So that's very nice. Mustaqim, what do you want to be and why?
Sir, before I was saying I want to become a businessman. Yes. So first of all, I don't have too much money. That's why I will go abroad for earning money.
Okay.
After that, when I will come back India. After that, I will start any business. This time I don't decide, but according to situation and according to money.
So, like, I learned many more things from my family. So, who is your inspiration? Don't touch that.
Inspiration, sir. My family always support me. So my family always said to me, कि, what you want to become. So I will spend money for you. So, sir, my father is a very hard working person, and I learned from father. You should always speak truth. You should always live in like discipline. You always respect elders.
Achha, one thing also I have seen in Barabanki, is it right or wrong? I don't know. The Muslim person are going to purchase, like clothes from the Muslim shop, and the Hinduism, if I talk about the Hindu person, they are going to purchase clothes from the Hindu shop. Is it right or the misconception of the person?
It is wrong, but some people is mentality. But I purchase everything, every shop. Not I don't see this is Hindu shop and this is Muslim shop. So it is not good because everybody, you can say, brother each other.
Okay, Mustaqim, that's very nice vision you have. But I would like to tell you, everybody, those who are watching the video, please don't discriminate or don't play with the Hindu and Muslim guys. Be our really brothers and sisters. Be cooperate each other and be respect our religion. Without knowing about the religion, if you are just blaming someone, guys, it's not good, right? So please, first of all, know about that particular religion, about like he's from like Muslim community. So you should know about the religion. Without that, if you're blaming to someone, this is not good, guys. So that's nice, Mustaqim. I heard like I learnt a lot by you. So what is your favorite subject?
Sir, this time I am learning speaking English. So this time I am my favorite subject English. But when I used to intermediate at that time, my favorite subject was chemistry.
Chemistry, right? Now is English, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your best friend, and tell me the name of that guy?
Okay, sir, I have a lot of best friends, but one of the best, my Dr. Jishan Ansari. He live in Kanpur.
Okay, you told me that. Okay. So do you talk to him every day?
No, I don't talk every day. I talked him once in a while, like in a week, and before 15 days duration.
You have a hectic schedule, there is no doubt, right? You always busy to work or study. So what do you do when you get free?
Sir, when I free, so I play cricket, and sometime I watch podcasts on the YouTube, and sometime I read short story like a cartoon story drama.
Okay, nice. Do you watch cricket?
No, I don't watch. I play just.
Okay. You don't have any favorite player?
No, I don't have any favorite player, but mostly people in India, people like Virat Kohli, Dhoni, and Rohit Sharma.
You don't like anybody?
I like he plays very well, but I don't like.
You don't like. Achha, do you like any actor in India?
No, I don't like actor.
Any actress?
No,
Any singer?
no, sir.
Any teacher?
Sir, I don't watch too much movie. I watch movie once in a while.
Okay. हाँ तो you should have like some like favorite actor, you know?
Favorite actor, sir, Amir Khan, you can say.
Amir Khan sir, please subscribe the channel, right?